Well, student, you have gone through the video of Push and the Parrot where I have enacted the story. So, now in our revision session, what we'll do? We will read that story. You know why reading? Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary people. It is very much essential, important, because reading improves your vocabulary, it just improves your pronunciation and the just fluency. You'll get fluency beta. When you do reading, you will have more fluency in your speaking way. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा आप रीडिंग कीजिएगा उतना ज़्यादा फ्लुएंसी आएगी आपकी वॉइस में. ओके, द मोर दैट यू रीड द मोर थिंग्स यू विल नो. One more thing, reading brings us unknown friends, as in that story also. Because once you have read a book, you care about some part of it is always. इसका कुछ पार्ट आपको हमेशा याद रहता है. So let's have reading. Because in my previous class we have done so much writing work as revision. So today we'll do reading. Now should we start? At first we will just start the hard words because already you have written in your notebook the meaning of these hard words. Let's recall once again. Hungry. Desire to eat food means भूखा होना, कुछ खाने की इच्छा होना. Pause. Pause you say animals fit. The fit of animals, as we have fingers and palms, but the animals fit we call it paws. Paws, panja. In Hindi we say it panja. You can write with your pencil here the meaning also. Raining, बारिश होना. It is raining. बारिश हो रही है. Hear. Hear means listen. सुनना. Okay. Wait. Now guess. Wait for a minute. Wait means इंतजार करना. To stay for a while at one place for some time. So these are the hard words. Some more hard words inside the story. कुछ और hard words आपको story के अंदर मिलेंगे जिसे मैं बीच बीच में आपको explain कर दूंगी. Okay? And you can write with the pencil. But when you write in your notebook, in your copy, you will write English meaning. Okay children, let us start. It is raining, full stop. It is raining. बारिश हो रही है. Push the cat. Push after comma is here. It is the name of cat. Push. Push the cat is feeling hungry. Cat क्या feel कर रही है? Hungry. Feel करना क्या अनुभव करना. Okay, hungry, भूखा. There is no food. There is no food to eat. कुछ उसे खाने के लिए नहीं है. Okay, there are no rats. Generally, cat eats rat. Okay, children? What does cat eat? The cat eats rat. So, the cat has nothing to eat. Even rat also. Clear? He looks here and there. Here and there means यहाँ वहाँ. वो यहाँ वहाँ देखता है. Okay. Something to get for that, but it couldn't get. उसे नहीं मिलता है कुछ भी. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. Are you watching parrot? Green color parrot with red beak. The parrot is sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot. Who? The push. The push request the parrot. Request means to ask to do something. As अनुरोध करना, आग्रह करना. Okay? He requests the parrot. What? उसने parrot से क्या request किया? Push. See that the name, the person, what? Two characters are here. One the cat and the parrot. So it is their notation. That it is saying here push, that means push is saying that line. Parrot is saying that line. Push. Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Mr. Parrot, आप बहुत अच्छा गाना गाते हैं. Please sing a song for me. मेरे लिए गाना गा दीजिए. Okay? Okay, now parrot. Parrot is saying what? Feeling very happy. अगर कोई why parrot is feeling very happy? Parrot को अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है? क्योंकि पुश ने उसकी तारीफ कर दी है. अगर कोई आपकी तारीफ करे, आपको अप्रिशिएट करे, तो आपको अच्छा लगता है. ओके, सो पैरट ऑल्सो फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी. यस यस, ला 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 दुम दे दुम. पैरट स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग. सी दैट, पैरट को बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरी किसी ने तारीफ कर दी, और पैरट स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग, वो गाना गाने लगा. ओके, सी व्हाइल ओपनिंग हिज माउथ. टिल हियर यू कुड अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया सभी को. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. जस्ट पेज. Now what? Push. Now push is saying, okay? I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Cannot. नहीं सकना. Hear means सुनना. Listen. I cannot. मैं नहीं सुन सकता यहाँ से आपको. Okay? Please come near me. Near means पास आना. Okay? Please come near me. Please मेरे पास आइए. कृपया करके. Parrot. Now parrot is saying, no, no, Mr. Push. You may eat me. तुम मुझे खा सकते हो. Push is saying now, no, my dear. I am an old cat. What the Push is saying? No, my dear. मैं तो एक old cat. Old you know? बूढ़ा. मैं एक old cat हूँ. बूढ़ा means थका हुआ. I have no teeth. Generally old people have no teeth. आप लोग देखते हो ना, old people को generally teeth नहीं होते हैं, या बहुत कम teeth होते हैं माउथ के अंदर. I cannot eat you. So the people who have no teeth, how can they eat? They eat hardly. बहुत मुश्किल से वो खाना खा पाते हैं. The cat was also saying, पुश भी ऐसे ही बोल रहा है कि मेरे पास तो teeth ही नहीं है, मैं कैसे खाऊंगा. The parrot is saying, then here I come. तब मैं आता हूँ आपके पास. और आके पैरट पुश के पास गाना गाने लगा. ला 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 दुम दे दुम तारा ला ला. Then here I come. ला 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 दुम दे दुम तारा. What? La la. What happened then? Push jumps on the parrot and holds him in his paws. Push jumps. Jump करना, कूदना. On the parrot and holds him in his paws. और अपने पंजे में पुश ने कैरेट को जंप करके पकड़ लिया. Hold means पकड़ना. Grasp or to catch. Now Push says, now I am going to eat you. Push is saying, now I am going to eat you. Parrot, you are a good cat. You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. If you want to eat me, so before eating, what are taught to you children? To wash your hands and face. So parrot also suggested Push. Parrot ने पुश को सजेशन दिया कि एक काम करो, आप मुझे खाने से पहले हैंड और फेस को वॉश कर लो. दैट इज वॉट ऑल गुड कैट्स डू. सभी अच्छे कैट्स यही करते हैं, तो आप भी यही काम करो. क्लियर? नाउ पुश सेज, जस्ट सी हाउ फास्ट आई वॉश माई फेस एंड हैंड्स. देखो अभी कितनी तेजी से मैं वॉश करता हूँ, धोता हूँ माई फेस एंड हैंड्स. You stand here and see. Just you stand here and see. तुम खड़े होके यही देखो. पुश इज टेलिंग, तुम खड़े रहो. पैरट को पुश ने कहा कि तुम खड़े रहो, यहीं देखो, मैं अभी हैंड और फेस वॉश करके आता हूँ. नाउ द पैरट टोल्ड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेट फॉर यू टू ईट मी अप. पैरट वॉज वेरी स्मार्ट, सो ही टोल्ड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेट फॉर यू टू ईट मी अप. मैं आपके लिए वेट नहीं करूँगा कि आप आओ और मुझे खा जाओ. Here I go. Bye bye push. See that the picture? The parrot run away. Parrot भाग निकला. जैसे ही push hand wash और hand और face wash के लिए गया, the push flew down. Okay? पुश वहाँ से भाग निकला. पुश ने बोला, मैं आपके लिए वेट नहीं करने वाला कि आप मुझे वापस आके खा जाओ. ओके, बाय बाय मिस्टर, बाय बाय पुश. So I am also saying bye bye to both. The story is finished. What did you get? That use your brain while to get rid of from problems. कैसे मुसीबत में पैरट पड़ा था और उसने अपने को कैसे पुश से बचाया अपनी खुद की आइडियाज इस्तेमाल करके. So this was the reading of your chapter. I hope you enjoyed the chapter reading. You have already written that hard words in that notebook. Just go through the hard words, learn it, and do the question answer also. What it's saying. See that. That is in your book. Color the bird that you find in the story. Guess which bird are you finding in the story? This, or that? I hope this one we found in the story. One more thing. So rest of the question answers also you will do as we had written. Okay children, what are these? Those who have not completed, for them I am just revising. Tick the right and cross the wrong statement. Right means जो सही है and wrong means जो गलत है. जो सही है उसको टिक करना है और जो गलत है उसे क्रॉस, ऐसे just like this क्रॉस का साइन करके लिख देना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पैरट. ओके, इट इज अ रेनी डे. यस, इट इज राइट. पुश इज नॉट फीलिंग हंग्री. No, Push was feeling hungry. It is wrong. Push eats the parrot. No, parrot flew away. The parrot jumps on Push. Parrot jumps on Push or Push jumps on parrot. Push jumps on parrot, na? So this is also wrong. You have to write down and you have to tick or cross. Okay, the sign is here. Again the next. Arrange the following sentences in the correct order in your notebook. You have to arrange the following sentences in your notebook. In a story that is happening, ये चीज़ें स्टोरी में हो रही हैं, इसको अरेंज करना है प्रॉपर वे में. हाउ अरेंज? यू हैव टू अरेंज इन सीक्वेंस. सबसे पहले क्या हुआ? द पैरट टेल्स पुश टू वॉश हिज हैंड. ये तो सब लास्ट में हुआ. पुश इज फीलिंग हंग्री. यस, he sees a parrot. See, I have written for you. See that I have written this for you. Arrange the following sentences in the correct order. The parrot tells Push to wash his hands. These lines are given. The first things what happened? सबसे पहले हुआ Push is feeling hungry. Then after उसने एक पैरट को देखा. फिर क्या हुआ? He holds the parrot in his paws. Then after, the parrot tells Push to wash his hand and the parrot flies away. Clear? These two you have to done. First one, tick or cross, that I had explained, and this one. Those who have not completed in their copy, they will complete it. Okay? That was the exercise. As the very important, very much important thing, that you will do reading practice again and again. Okay children, that's all for today.